Hey there, welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 27 and let's see the question number 2. So the question is, write a Java program that finds and returns the second largest element in an array of integers. So here we need to find the second largest element. You will be given an array and your task is to find the second largest element in that array. So the function description is, the function name is given as int find second largest, which takes array as an input. So the same thing is written in the input and output format, and we have been given a sample input. So here we have been given an array of 5, 2, 9, 12, 7, and the sample output here is 9, which is the second largest after 12. So which is the second largest, so the 12 is largest and it is the second largest. So what is the basic approach you get after reading this question? So basically we can do the sort method and we can get the element present at the last second element. So last second index. So that is fine, but that is a trap which we fall into. So let's find out the approach to solve this problem and why the sort method won't work here. So the sort method actually works in few cases but doesn't work when the elements are repeated in an array. So let's see if we have an array. So let me take the same array, which is 5, 9, 12, 2 and 7. So let's take this array for now. So in this array, so if we sort this, so we will get 2, 5, 7, 9 and 12. So here we can get the second largest element, which is 9, and that would be the element in the case. For suppose we don't have this 9 and instead of it we have a 12 here. So here also it would be 12 then. So in this case you have not got the second largest, but you have got the largest element here. So which is 12 again. So this is the trap we shouldn't fall into. So we need to use some other approach to solve this problem. Also, you can check out the time complexity of this. So it is n log n for the sort method. So we are going to look at it in this coming videos. So now let's see what approach can we follow. So let me take the same example, that is 5, 9, 12, 2 and 7. So what we can do is, so we can take two variables. One is for the largest element and the one is for the second largest element. So these two values we are going to update according to the values inside this array. So okay, so the basic approach is we are going to iterate through the whole array and we are going to update the values accordingly. So how we are going to update? So I will declare this largest and second largest value at the first with the minimum value possible in Java. So we have a function, we can write the minimum value with integer.min value. It is a general notation in Java. So using that we can declare that. So now starting with this logic. So we will go with the first element. So it is 5. Is 5 greater than the minimum value possible in Java? Yes, it is, because it is the minimum value. So now I am going to update the largest value with 5 because it is the largest one which we got till now. Okay, I have updated this. So now I am going to remove this value from the list. Now coming to the second value, which is 9. So here I am going to check if this 9 is greater than this 5, which is the largest value. Yes, it is. So we are going to update this largest value here, but we also need to update the second largest value with the largest value. The logic is, when we found a value which is larger than the largest value, so this larger value becomes the second largest. It's simple, right? So until now we had found 9 and 5. This is the second largest. So the 5 will be updated here. And the 5 here in the largest value will be updated with 9. So that is the logic. So now we are done with 9. We can move forward. So now we have come to 12. So is 12 greater than 9? Yes, it is. And before that, we need to update the second largest with 9. And we are going to update this with 12. So till now we have got the largest value as 12 and the second largest value as 9. So we are going to move forward now. And I will find the second, we will move forward. I have got 2 here. So is it greater than the largest value? No, it isn't. So is it greater than the second largest value? No, it isn't. So we can ignore it. So now moving on to the next element, which is 7. So is it greater than the largest value? No, it is not. Is it greater than the second largest value? No, it isn't. So we can ignore it. So by the end of the entire iteration, what did we get? So the largest value is 12 and the second largest value is 9. So this is second largest value. So that's it. So finally we had got the output. So this was the logic we can use to find the largest and second largest value. So that's it. So now we can write the code for this logic. So I've already created the Java file for second largest. So I will write an array int arr. So let me use the same array given in the sample. So this is VIT-AP. So I will write that array inside this. So I am directly declaring it. Now I will write a print statement and call the function int. So find second largest of array. And now I am going to call the function static. The return type is int. Find second largest and input parameter is an array. So here what we have to do is I will declare the largest value as largest equals, and as I said we have to initialize with the minimum value. So we have integer dot minimum value. So this is the declaration of the minimum value. So for the second largest, let me name it as second and integer dot min value again. So you can see I have got various suggestions for me. So this is what an IDE does. It makes to write the code simpler for us. So second, so I have returned, so I have declared this largest and second largest here. So now what we are going to do is I am going to write a for loop int I equals 0, I less than array dot length and I plus plus. So let me also write a, okay, so that's it, right? So here I have to finally return second because it is the second largest value which we need. Here while iterating, so I will find if the number at particular position is greater than the largest. So then what we have to do? So whenever it is greater than the largest, the value present in the largest will be given to the second largest, right? So here second will be updated with largest value and the largest will be updated with the num of I. So this was the logic we had got before. So this is array of I, not num of I. So the name of array is arr. So if this is not happening, so what is the case? We are going to directly update the second with, so what was the other case? So else if arr of I, so this array of array element is less than largest but greater than the second largest. So it is less than largest and array of I is greater than second largest. So here it is our second. So in that case we are going to update the second with the num of I. So it is arr of I. That's it. So let's run the code and check if it is working or not. So let me compile the file first, second largest .java and Java second largest. So you can see I have got the output as 9, which is exactly the second largest value in this array. So after 12, this is the largest one. So that's it. So this is a logical approach which we have followed instead of the sort method, which is there already. So that's it for this video. Do follow the 100 Days of Coding Challenge by VCode. Thank you for watching.